In this video, I'll show you how to connect RSS feeds for auto-posting industry content in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to streamline your content posting process and keep your audience engaged, this method will save you time and effort. I've tested all the top tools, and by the end, I'll recommend the best option, along with an exclusive free trial for you to try. First, let's talk about RSS feeds. An RSS feed allows you to automatically receive new content from a website without having to manually check it. It's perfect for automating the process of sharing industry news or articles to your social media or blog. You can easily integrate it into your workflow, and here's how to set it up. Start by finding the RSS feed for the website or content source you want to auto-post. This might be a blog, news site, or a content aggregator. Often, websites will display their RSS feed URL somewhere in the footer or through a specific RSS icon. If you can't find it, you can usually append off feed to the website's URL. So for example, example.com.feed. Once you have the RSS feed URL, you'll need to connect it to a tool that can automatically post this content for you. There are several options, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on the software we'll be using. This software allows you to easily schedule and post content from RSS feeds to your social media accounts, blog, or wherever you want it to go. In your software, look for the RSS feed option or auto post feature in the settings or integration section. Once you find it, paste the RSS feed URL you copied earlier into the appropriate field. The software will then pull in new posts automatically as soon as they're published on the source website. The next step is to configure how you want these posts to appear. Most software will allow you to customize the format of the posts, including which parts of the content you want to display. You can set it up to pull the headline, description, and even the main image. Make sure to customize it in a way that aligns with your branding or the voice of your business. Now set your posting schedule. Decide how often you want the software to check the feed and post content, whether that's hourly, daily, or at a custom interval. The key here is consistency. The more often the tool checks the feed, the faster it'll post new content. Once everything is set up, test it out, post a piece of content and ensure that the formatting looks good, the link works, and everything posts as expected. If there's an issue, go back and adjust your settings or tweak the feed URL. Key takeaway: connecting RSS feeds for auto-posting industry content can save you time and keep your social media and blog constantly updated with fresh content. The process is simple. Find the feed, connect it to the software, customize the posts, and schedule the auto-posting. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used in the description below, and follow along with this tutorial to see how easy it is to automate your content posting process. To recap, the main steps are: 1. Find the RSS feed URL. 2. Connect the feed to your auto-posting software. 3. Customize the format of the posts. 4. Set up your posting schedule. 5. Test everything to ensure it works smoothly. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to automating your content, saving time, and staying up to date with industry news.